Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I'm so excited for today's video. I've got some beautiful little bits to show you, and I've also got GlossyBox. Right, so if you've seen my channel before, you'll know that last month was my first ever GlossyBox and I loved it. Every bit in there I loved. So I'm so excited to see what's in this one. So if you want to see what's inside the box, keep on watching. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to share my jewellery with you. As you can see, I'm wearing these beautiful little hoops and they come from a company called Ana Luisa. So when the company reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in working with them, I looked them up because I'd never heard of Ana Luisa before. When I looked at their website and I saw that they were a carbon neutral company, immediately I knew that this was a company that I wanted to work with. So not only are they a carbon neutral company, but the pieces are beautiful. There is literally something for everyone. So when I was looking through, I was looking and I noticed things that I knew that my mum would love, and she's in her 60s. It's that my best friend would love, and she's in her 30s, but also bits that I would love to put on my daughter, and she's 1. So there was literally something for everyone, and that really, really impressed me. They have some absolutely beautiful items, and I cannot wait to actually go back on and look and buy, because obviously we have got Christmas coming up. I know, I'm sorry, I said the C word, but we have got Christmas coming up and we do need to think ahead. And if you are the same as me and you want to get things done nice and early and you want to save some money, I have got a discount code which they have very, very generously given us, which is a 10% off the order. So if you use the discount code BeautyChat10, that will save you 10%, which is amazing. I just love these. I really, really love these. These are going to go with literally everything and anything. I could wear these when I'm just slumming it at home and still look lovely, or I could wear these on a night out and they would look just as good. These ones here, so this pattern here reminds me of like a vintage china vase, you know, that sort of thing, vintage china. So pretty. But I've also got a top that this would match perfectly. It is a Bardo top and I'll wear it in the summer. So these are going to go so well with that. I cannot wait to pair them together. So that is why I went ahead and picked them as well. I just think they're absolutely beautiful. So the prices start from $39 and they go up to higher end prices. Now these earrings that I'm wearing are £70, okay, and these ones here are $55. Honestly, if you are looking for some jewellery, you're thinking maybe for yourself or you want to gift it, so just use my code BeautyChat10 and that is going to save you 10%. Right, okay, let's get into the box. Oh, always love this bit. Oh, guys, look. Look how beautiful this packaging is. Look. Amazing. Oh, I'm a sucker for good packaging. So this says Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tales. I'm definitely keeping this box, 100%. So when you open it up, it's packaged like this. It's got a little ribbon around it. Oh, it looks as though like maybe you could have got like one of 2 boxes. So the other one says Enchanted Spirit. So I take it, is this the spoilers? I don't want to look because I think that's the spoilers. Oh, look, guys. So when you actually get to it, it's all gold. Look. Oh, it's so pretty. This box is beautiful this month. Oh, guys. I'm just going to show you it like that. Oh, okay, I'm really, really impressed already. So the first item that I'm seeing is a Stargazing Blush Duo, and it's by the company The Beauty Crop. Let's have a look at this. Oh, even that's beautiful packaging. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see because of my ring light. I'll try and get some close-ups of these, but that is beautiful. I'm really impressed with this box. Oh, look. They're lovely. So you have got more of a pinkish tone here, and then you've got more of a golden tone there, and they look absolutely beautiful. Let me test these out on my hand. Wow, that is lovely. Both shades are really, really pretty and very, very wearable. So I'm really impressed with that. Wow. So far, so good. Right, next up. Wait a minute. I can see something from Ilamesca. What? Oh, do you know what? I actually have this already. So this is the Ilamesca Hydrating Veil, and it is a primer. Yes. Okay, I definitely already have this. I'm not going to open it because it seems like it's sealed. Okay, so this is my version. So let me open this and show you. So it's like a sort of gel inside. Can you see that? So what you do is you pop this on before you put your foundation on as a base for your foundation to sit on, and it's a really, really good product. Now, because I already own one of them, I am going to keep this and put it in a giveaway. So that will go to one of you guys. Okay, next I can see, okay, Luna by Luna. What is this? Pixie Lipstick. You know what? I'm actually kind of hoping it's a pink, but I was just putting my makeup on and going through my makeup drawers. I've got so many nudes and a few reds, and I thought I just wanted a really girly, pretty pink today. But this is like the closest I could get to it, so I'm really hoping this is a pink. We'll see. Luna by Luna. Oh, it's not a pink, but it's still a really beautiful colour. Now that is very neutral, so like that is like anybody can wear it, which is really, really good. Should I swatch it? Yeah, let's swatch it. Oh, it's like a corally colour. That is so pretty. Oh, I think you could get away with wearing it like as an everyday colour. That is so, so pretty. Okay, it's not pink, but it is really pretty. I like that. And I really like the packaging as well. It's very simple and it's just got the gold on it and it says Luna by Luna. Now that reminds me of Harry Potter. Luna Lovegood. Oh, love her. Next, we've got, I'm going to show you this. Right, if you watched my video last month, you'll know how excited I got for chocolate. I love that they put chocolate in these boxes. I'm so hungry that I really want to eat this now, but I can't because I'm on a diet. But I have lost 1 stone, 9 pounds. Oh yes, oh yes. So in pounds, that is what, 23 pounds? So I'm really, really happy. So I'm regrettably not going to eat this. But what a cute little bar. And it's Cadbury's, and everyone loves Cadbury's. It's called Cadbury's Dark Milk, both rich and creamy. Ooh, so is this dark chocolate? I take it is. Lovely. I love the fact that the whole box is like purple and blue. Everything's purple and blue. So what's this? Bubble tea, bath and body. Oh, Stardust foaming bath powder in rose. Oh, look. Again, you might not be able to see it because of the ring light, so I might have to take some shots and add them in. So it says foaming bath powder rose. Smells great and feels even better with an exclusive uplifting rose foaming bath powder. Directions: sprinkle across warm water for a fizzing treat. The brand is Bubble Tea, and I am going to open it and smell it. I have to. Oh, okay, so it comes with another, comes in like another one. I can smell it already. So I'm not going to open this because I'm going to get powder everywhere. So I don't normally like rose smelling things. So I probably am not going to use this. I'm going to give this one to somebody that's going to enjoy it. But nevertheless, it's a really, really nice product. So I think there should just be one more product in here. Okay, Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So we got an eye cream. It's called AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. Right, okay, so I have seen a few people complaining that the eye cream inside their month's box didn't have anything in it. So I'm going to open this and see if this one's full or not. So it's supposed to be a 10 milliliter, which is 0.33 fluid ounces. It feels like there's something in there. Well, mine's got stuff in it. I mean, it does feel like it's not to the top. It is definitely to like here, but there is a product in it. So mine's okay. Thank God mine's okay. But yeah, I know a lot of people were complaining that they actually didn't get anything inside their tubes. So let's feel this. Ooh, that's very, very creamy. Oh, I like it. Not really much of a smell to it, which is good. Sometimes things can be a little overpowering when you put them on your face. That feels so good. That is going to be a fantastic eye cream. And obviously, when you're putting it down here, little tip, put it on with your ring finger and dab it, because your under eyes are so sensitive and the skin is so thin there that you don't want to go heavy. So little tip, just use your ring fingers there and dab and pat. Right, yeah, so that's everything that was inside this box. I love it. I'm so impressed with GlossyBox. I really am. So I believe it works out £13 a month, but there is different ways that you can do it, monthly, yearly, blah, blah, blah. There is a lot of different ways that you can do it. So I paid £13 for this box, and I think that is well worth the price. The Ilamesca product on its own is probably worth over that. So this box is really worth it in my opinion. So I'm so pleased with it. So guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget you can use the code BeautyChat10 to get 10% off. I will leave the link in the description box below. Go over and give them some love, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah. So guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Yesterday, my channel hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh my God. 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 people are subscribed to my channel. That's amazing. Oh my God. Thank you so much if you're one of these people that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't, click the button down below, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. You become part of the Chatter family. And I'm so grateful to have all of you with me on my crazy YouTube journey. Thank you so much. So I just wanted to let you guys know how much I appreciate you. So thank you.
Our moments by